Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of household appliances. It refers to an electric oven that uses radiation to heat and cook food quickly. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as microwave, microwave, wave. Microwave. Microwave is crucial in modern kitchens, helping individuals to prepare meals efficiently and conveniently. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about microwave, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.